Here's my before and afters. I see results. So what I can see is I can see that my skin looks a lot clearer to me. I feel like I had some redness going on and it looks so much better in the after. I've seen a difference even in my cheekbones. I feel like my cheekbones look more lifted. I feel like my eyes look a little bit more lifted as well. Today I'm sharing my 30-day update. This is the 30 Days to Glow challenge using my Ziip Halo. I'm going to share before and after photos, which I'm excited to share with you. And before we get into all of it, I'm just going to share a quick demo, okay? I'm just going to share a little bit of a quick demo, and I'm going to tell you a little bit of difference between the microcurrent and the nanocurrent, because the Ziip Halo is the only device on the market that has both nano and microcurrent. What's so special about both of them? I'm going to tell you. So the microcurrent is going to help to build your muscles in your face. So it's just like when you go to a gym and you're working out with weights, that is what the microcurrent is going to do. Now, the nano is going to go in there and it's going to send signals. So it's going to help to build collagen in your skin. So the more that you use it, the more collagen you're going to get in your skin. So I think that's really, really important. I want to just talk a little bit too about why I love this device, because I am giving my stamp of approval on this, which is huge. Because if you've been following me a long time, you know that I'm very, very picky about stuff. I have used a microcurrent before that ended up, I had some weird side effects. I experienced that buzzing feeling, which is very, very uncomfortable. And I'm happy to tell you, I do not experience that using this. The only thing that I ever get occasionally, depending on the treatment that I'm doing, is sometimes I'll get like a little bit of a tingly feeling, but it is not uncomfortable at all. Not uncomfortable. So love that about it. It's very lightweight. I love that it's easy to use. I love that there are so many different treatments that you can do. If you're somebody that's on time crunch, you can create your own custom treatment plan. They do have like I did the 30-day challenge, you can do that. There's also another one in the app. I should have mentioned that. So you want to download the app. And when you download the app, you have a treatment plan. You have all the different treatments you can choose from. And then in the treatment plan, you have the 30 Days to Glow. And then there's also another one, like if you're going somewhere really special, which is one that I want to do next. I want to try that one. But they do have a couple of treatment plans that you can do, or you can just create your own. You can do this in the morning, or you can do it at night. But one thing you must do with this is be consistent. When you're using the Ziip Halo, you have to be consistent if you want to see results. You can't just use it whenever you feel like it. You have to be consistent. And to be consistent and to see results, you must be using it 4 to 5 times a week. It's not a lot. Trust me, it's not. You can do it in the morning, you can do it at night. There's treatments on there that are 4 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, depending on what you're doing. So there's treatments for your lips, for your eyes, for your jowls, for an overall lift. There's different treatments that you can choose, and you can decide what you want to do, what's best for you. And I would recommend, by the way, to follow Ziip on Instagram, because they're always sharing a lot of great tips on there, and also just giving you some different ideas as far as customizing your own treatments for yourself. Like you can take different ones, like you say maybe you want to do your eyebrows, your lips, and your jowls one day or whatever. But they will, give you some really, really great tips on there. I follow them as well. You're really easy to use. I love how it just cups in my hand and it's just easy to glide around. My arm doesn't get tired when I'm using it. And I feel like I've gotten really, really good results using it. The other thing that I love about it too is I love their conductive gel. I mentioned that in the other video, but I want to mention it again. So it will, when you get your device, you're going to get the silver gel, which is excellent. But I'm loving the golden gel. This one actually has growth factors in it. So that's really, really beneficial to your skin. Highly, highly recommend it. Another thing that I love about their conductive gels, not only do they have really good skincare ingredients that are going to be beneficial to your skin, and when you're using your device, by the way, and you're using something like that that's going to be beneficial to your skin, you're going to get more benefits using a conductive gel like this than if you were using it on its own. But the other thing that I love about their conductive gels is you don't have to keep spraying on water, spritzing water on it like you do with a lot of other ones. I've had to do that with them, and I feel like they dry out constantly. You just have to like constantly spray or whatever. You don't have that with this. So I love how easy it is to use, but let's look at the results. Now, here's my before and afters. I see results. So what I can see is I can see that my skin looks a lot clearer to me. I feel like I had some redness going on, and it looks so much better in the after. I've seen a difference even in my cheekbones. I feel like my cheekbones look more lifted. I feel like my eyes look a little bit more lifted as well. And I'm going to continue using it. But I just really, really enjoy using this. It's just easy to use. I love that it doesn't take a lot of my time to use it. It's comfortable to use. And I love that I'm seeing results. That's the best part, is I'm actually seeing real results with it. And I know you will too. You're worth it, like I'm worth it. And the fact that I'm giving this a stamp of approval is huge, because you guys know how picky I am about devices and different things, pretty much everything. But I really, really love using this device, and I highly recommend it. So below, I am going to put a code below along with a link as well, so you can go ahead and check it out. Thank you so much for joining me. I really, really hope this video was helpful and informative, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.